Time to go to work. Hey, what's up, everybody? Uh, we just chilling right now in our home for the next 2 months. We got an apartment in Paris, and we like it. This is my favorite little lounge chair I like to sit in when I'm not out and about. But I had a few days off. Had a 3-day weekend. Opening ceremonies tomorrow, so time for me to get back to work. But before I did, I wanted to share with y'all my little work uniform, my little swag bag, all the stuff some of the stuff that they got me, and uniform and stuff to wear. So here's the first thing. Came with a little bag and to hold everything in. This is our jacket. Nice little jacket. Comes apart, it turns into a vest also. It's got a vest inside, so I can take it off if it gets too high, or if it's cool or raining or something, I just pop this on. But this thing's got a lot of pockets. But I need have a lot of stuff with me sometimes, so depending on what I'm doing at work. I'm working late at night too, so I'm keeping a little flashlight and my phone, and a couple other little things with me. Next thing we got a little pouch, a little fanny pack. This come in handy too. We don't have lockers or anything. We move around a lot in here, so we have to make sure we keep everything with us. So our bum bag is what they call it. Here's one of the coolest things for me. These are the sneakers they got. Got the Paris 2024 on the tongue. And a special little thing for us. So this is special to the volunteers. So got our own little volunteer seal, and check it out. 2024 inside, Paris 2024 inside. I thought that was pretty cool. And the shoes also, if I can find them, I'll get to them in there somewhere. All right, these are pants. Everything's super lightweight. Everything's really lightweight. Easy to wash. This apartment we got don't come with a washing machine or air conditioning. So I'm doing a little bit of hand washing, getting ready for every day. So I got 2 pair of pants. These also convert into shorts. So I can just unzip these. Now I got some shorts to wear on those really hot days. All right, next up we have our work shirt. Paris swag this out, man. They made sure, like I say, we're the fashion capital of the world, so we're gonna put a little bit extra effort towards these uniforms. So and now I found them down in here. My work socks. Got the Paris 2024 work socks. Check that out. Got the pink. They also got a green pair of these. Pretty cool. This is one of my favorite things. I love the hat. I love the big old hat. Y'all know I like hats out there. But I'm definitely gonna be rocking this to the beach one day. But right now it's a work hat. So Paris 2024 work hat. You know, and they made this, you know, all colorful and stuff, so people can see us if they need help. They know how to easily identify us. Like, I ain't never seen no hat look like this, so they definitely gonna be able to tell who we are. And the last little bit of my work uniform is this guy right here. They hooked us up. They hooked us up with a Swatch watch. Paris 2024 Swatch watch. But, this is my work uniform, so I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys are following us. I hope you like what you see so far. You know, we'll keep giving you guys as much as we can. It's a lot we can't show you right now, but when we can, we will. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned and keep on watching us. And it's time for me to get to work. See you later. Let's get to work. Time to go to work.